Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to upgrade PHP lower to higher version in XAMPP. Type old XAMPP download in browser search bar. Click XAMPP browse files at sourceforge.net. Click XAMPP Windows. Select latest version of XAMPP. (32-bit or 64-bit depend upon your operating system. Click OK. Open download folder. Extract downloaded file. Open extracted folder. Copy PHP folder. Open C, XAMPP folder. Stop Apache and MySQL services. Rename PHP folder to PHP_old. Paste already copied PHP folder. Open PHP folder. Open php.ini file. Find XAMPP. Type c:LN in front of \XAMPP. Fill one by one till end. Save and exit Notepad. Copy Apache folder from extracted folder. Rename Apache directory to Apache_old. Paste already copied Apache folder. Open XAMPP control panel. Start both services. Previous PHP version is 5.6.3.5. PHP version changed to 7.4.1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.